So let's move it down this way, and we're gonna create a quick prototype. Let's duplicate it. So when you click on Command and D, it will duplicate it, and then you can make it as home too. So let's on this, when the prototype, when the user clicks on this, we want it to be open. So let's hold this and then move it on the top. I'm holding shift and arrow, and then it's moving on the top. You can use your mouse as well to do so. And now let's go to the prototyping mode. So this one previous mode here, let's delete it. So if you want to delete any of the past prototype links, you can select that wire and click on delete. So if you click on the search, and then it will show up that wire and just connect to the next screen you want the user to go to. And yeah, the tap, and then instead of instant, let's do smart animate. And then we can set the timer to 900 milliseconds. We have a dedicated module for prototyping, so we'll dive deeper into that as well. So click on the flow. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the device here when you click on it here, and you can also view that as a dedicated page as well. But for now, let's just stick with this one, and then click on the flow and then tap on it, and you have your app sheet coming up. So you can change different effects. Maybe ease out is not good, let's do gentle. And when I click on it, your app sheet opens here. And if you want to close, select this icon and then connect to this one, and then have the curve as gentle and duration as 800 millisecond, and you can change it and then close it from here. And there you go, your first prototype and the mobile app design is here. And as we go more into the lessons, we're going to dive deeper into each of these aspects, from auto layout, variables, and components and everything, and how you can improve your workflow as well. So I'll see you in another module.